In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise your hand on Google Meet. Whether you're attending a remote class, a business meeting, or any virtual gathering via Google Meet, understanding how to utilize its features effectively can significantly enhance your participation and interaction. Raising your hand in a virtual environment is a respectful and orderly way to signal that you have a question or comment without interrupting the speaker or the flow of the meeting. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Google Meet website. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. This is a standard procedure to ensure the security and personalized experience of your session. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Meet homepage, where you can initiate a new meeting. To start a new meeting, look for the option that says New Meeting. Click on this and a small drop-down menu will appear with a few choices. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's select Start an Instant Meeting. This option is perfect for when you need to jump right into a meeting, either with yourself to test features or with others for an impromptu discussion. Clicking on Start an Instant Meeting will propel you into a live meeting environment. Here you'll see yourself on the video feed along with various icons and functionalities that Google Meet offers to enrich your virtual meeting experience. Now for the main focus of our tutorial. Raising your hand during the meeting. On your meeting screen, look towards the bottom right corner. Among the array of icons present, there's a specific icon that represents Raise Hand. It's symbolized by a hand icon, and it's designed to be easily identifiable. When you click on this Raise Hand icon, your action simulates raising your hand in a physical meeting. It signals to the meeting organizer or the speaker that you have something to contribute without verbally interrupting the ongoing conversation. This is particularly useful during large meetings or in situations where protocol and order are being respected. After you click the icon, the meeting participants and the organizer will see a notification or an icon by your name indicating that you've raised your hand. This allows the organizer to manage interactions and give you the opportunity to speak at the appropriate time. Raising your hand in Google Meet is as simple as that. Just 3 steps. Go to Google Meet, start an instant meeting, and click on the Raise Hand icon. Remember, effective communication is key to a successful virtual meeting or classroom environment. Using features like the Raise Hand option helps maintain structure and respect among participants, ensuring everyone gets a chance to contribute. And with that, you now know how to raise your hand during a Google Meet meeting. Practice this feature, get familiar with it, and you'll soon find yourself participating more actively and respectfully in your virtual gatherings. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your online communication skills.